Alright, hey guys, today I'm doing a reconstruction of Max Park's 3.13 world record single, which is insane. I don't think we've had one in about 5 years, so that's pretty crazy. And we're going to see some sort of Team 1 level solution here with pseudo pairs. So what we have is two cross pieces solved relatively to one another with this cross piece right here. We'll have this block and the edge for that block right here. And when the cross is done, this edge is going to end up here. It's going to be equivalent to an R2. So what Max did was he solved these three cross edges relatively to each other, and then did a D2 R prime to solve this block. And what you notice is that the edge for that block forms a pseudo pair with the corner for this edge. So he did a D and then inserted it because the corner ends up in its correct slot. And then he did another D because you can't just insert this edge right away because it ruins this other block. So he did the D, inserted the edge, and then aligned the cross, which leads to a free pair back here. So he inserted the free pair, and then he just got this last F2L pair, which he solved like that. And then it's just the PLL skip for that OLL with the UAUF. So that's pretty insane. Congrats, and Max, and yeah.